like a cap and a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on his haters.
So we're in Clearwater Beach. Oh my God. He bought the slippers. Look at him, y'all. He's officially bougie. Where beach are we at? Clearwater Beach? Hey, we're in Clearwater Beach. He bought the slippers. Look at him, y'all. That's some rock shit. So, it's beach day, everybody. And to be honest, the context of this video, I don't know how long it's gonna be, but the context of this video is just showing y'all what we do, where we live, our life. And we're thinking about moving to Clearwater when we graduate college, though. Right now, we just live in Tampa. Get it. My purse even closed, dog. Well, I'm definitely getting my nails done then. I knew you was gonna do that.
I guess I can.
Thank you. Every day we look. You can't tell me. You said, huh? Don't walk in the beach. Oh. Hold on, wait now. That's mean looking dog. This is a serious question. Can you have a pit bull as a service dog? Why not? I came from nothing, you know, they couldn't tell me. I didn't come from nothing, but you know. Just out of curiosity, you see how much those flip-flops cost? So I'm trying to compare the prices. Oh, here they go. They're trying to trick you. There is no price tag on them.
A price tag?
There's no price tag.
Okay. Alright, well, if you pick them up, if you walk out the store, because they got a price tag, then what they gonna say? It costs? There ain't no price tag.
It's a thing to scan though, so technically it's still stealing, because you know. Ooh, take your flip-flops off, feel the same between your toes. We're at it. Ugh. The sand isn't hot. Yay, it's not burning the bottom of my feet. What?
Told me this. Yeah. I know I gotta get a haircut. I just been tripping about it. Damn, I can't talk right now.
You just bang tripping about it.
I ain't been tripping about a haircut, so I'm gonna get one next week. I'm looking a little rough.
That's a workout.
Hell yeah.
Let's get on that.
Clearwater Beach. Best
You
beach.
struggling to walk to
The best beach
no,
behind.
Venice Beach is the best beach.
You ain't let me finish my sentence.
I was just gonna let you know, like, don't ever.
Yeah. About to go touch this water. Maybe.
Hey,
Alright, you done.
how much do those things cost
You done?
to rent? Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to the nail shop. He should get his toes done because they're raggedy.
Fuck out
I still got him in those flip-flops. You want to take over? Come on now. What was you doing? Texting and driving? They got the handicap sign for a reason.
Look at that. That's right.
They got that handicap sign for a reason. They asses can't drive. Huh?
They ain't drive here.
You want to take over?
Nope.
Why?
Don't like doing this.
It's fine. I don't care. Can't. You better stop when they call the police on you.
No.
Oh, you like when we call the police
They
on
ain't
you?
Hey, this black man over here just hit this woman. He probably got a gun too.
Right.
Call the SWAT team. Hurry.
Couldn't call the police. They got happy hour daily from 3 to 6. You want to go do happy hour?
36. I won't be here.
What time do you think we going home?
Well, they closed anyways.
3 to 6, fool. I said, do you want to do happy hour? You said they closed. I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner, someone who knows how to rhyme without even falling on. You gotta be compatible. Test me to my limits. Girl, when I bring you on, I promise that you won't wanna get on in your honey. Let's do it. Ride it, my friend.
Ice cream.
We ride. You wanna see how much it is? Are they open? Now, they got 28 flavors. If they had 32 flavors, they'd have been right on there. Now I got 32 flavors.
I go.
Yummy yum, baby, not your ordinary lady. No, I'm the driver, crazy Willy Wonka. I'm the daily up the hips and rock my hips and shake my skin. So why people be staring? Like, are they amazed at the thighs, the hair? Like, they be staring and like, boo, hello?
Man, that 0.7 miles is far. What do you want?
0.75.
That's them.
Oh Lord, that lady done called the police on us.
What they did for real. I ain't gotta talk.
No, you don't. You can stay there. Child, what if that was the police that came through here?
So get your hands up.
Okay, so it ain't for us. That's a nice motorcycle. What restaurant is this? Hello. You know, black people, y'all both say hi to each other because you're the only one.
Yeah.
Walking to try to find a nail shop.
Big motherfucker. Hey.
Pelican Point Hotel and Resort. Where?
Marrow. I ain't Marrow.
That, whatever it is clean. I can't tell what it is. It's a Marrow.
No?
Yeah, it is.
That's a 60 right there.
Them all clean. He like old cars now, y'all.
I'm gonna give him one then before I die.
Boy, that's gonna be about 25,000.
I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna have money.
Yeah, because we're moving to Clearwater. I'm glad you thought about it and you agree with me.
Yeah, later on though.
I ain't say right now. I ain't moving nowhere right now. I got my lease for 2019. I ain't trying to go to no more court dates, nothing. Well, we actually never went to a court date. And they still haven't sued and took money off.
I haven't. I ain't my fault.
For anybody that lives in Bloomington, Indiana, don't move in Campus Corner, aka the Monroe.
Real talk.
They're trash.
Don't move to Bloomington, period.
Yeah. Well, unless you like to party all day, nothing else to do. Hey, $3 milkshakes.
You wanna go
Want
there?
to get a milkshake?
They open? Or you gonna get after you get some there?
Let's use. Let's use. That sounds like I'm asking about some crack. I mean, let's go. That sign said, please use other door. That's why. They got cookies and cream, rainbow sherbet. Oh. 36 fresh made ice cream flavors. Okay, so what ice cream flavor should we get? Hello. What do you recommend?
Smurf.
Hmm?
The Smurf ice cream.
The Smurf?
Yeah. It's blue raspberry ice cream with marshmallows in it.
Gotta try it.